we finally got the results. The C8 Corvette versus the McLaren 650s. We did 3 events again. The drag race, the slalom, and the hot laps. The Corvette is weighing in at 3,366 pounds compared to 3,148 pounds. The Corvette C8 is coming in at around 495 horsepower. I have the Fab Speed Cats on, probably gives it an extra 15 horsepower, so I'm just running over 500 horsepower. The McLaren has 650 horsepower, that's why they call it the 650s. I don't think any modifications were done to the car. Both cars are rear-wheel drive. The McLaren has active aero, so it's able to brake faster. The day when we were at the track, it had mist, rain on and off all day, so it wasn't 100% perfect conditions for pushing the cars. I think the C8 had a bit of an advantage having the tires cambered and towed in for the track. This time when we went back to Track Attack, we had the track alignment put on. It also had the Yokohama ADVAN Apex V601 tire. It's a new racing tire by Yokohama for track. The first event was the auto slalom. We ended up having a chance to do the auto slalom course twice since the audio was not being recorded for the first run. So for the auto slalom, and the McLaren come in at 1 minute and 17 milliseconds. And surprisingly, the C8 58.97. Having the track alignment on the Corvette made a big advantage over the McLaren 650s. And with talking with Colin Casey from Track Attack, he said it made a huge difference with the track alignment on the car. The second event was a drag race, and the McLaren prevailed on the drag race. The C8 took it on the start. It seemed to have a better traction control package, but when the turbo spooled up on the McLaren, there was no catching. As you can see here, the C8 Corvette had the jump on the McLaren 650s. The launch control was a lot more effective. And from watching the 2 cars on the track, the McLaren was sliding a lot more than the C8. The C8 seemed to have a better traction control. And the last event was the hot laps. The C8 Corvette come in at 122.2 and the McLaren 650s come in at 121.0. So the only difference was approximately 1 second between a $100,000 car and a $300,000 car. As you can see, the difference between the lap time when we were racing the Lamborghini was 1:16.9. The time racing the McLaren was 1:22.2. So obviously the track conditions were a lot different. It would have been nice to see how hard we could have pushed it without having the wet track with the track alignment and the new tires put on, because I think we could have beat the original time. So overall, out of the 3 events, the C8 won 1 event and the McLaren 650s won the other 2. But they were very close. Thanks again to Track Attack for having us out again. It was a great pleasure and lots of fun to come out. Hopefully we can get back out with Track Attack again this summer, 2021. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.